Hello, I'm Jerry Fort, the beer review guy. Guess what? I'm back. And the company that I'm going to be supporting today is Twang. This is the Twang-a-Rita Grapefruit Rimming Salt, Paloma Love. Now I think a Paloma Love is an actual drink, if I understand correctly. It says, unleash your spirit animal with Twang-a-Rita Rimmers, naturally flavored blends of wildly delicious ingredients. Paloma Love adds a punch of juicy, fresh grapefruit flavor to your favorite cocktail, which is sure to make your taste buds soar. No, I think the Paloma Love is a salt mix. That's what it sounds like. It said, the Paloma Love mix of salts is for, margaritas and different other cocktails. So, let's check this out. I'm going to leave the camera for just a second. I didn't think about that. I need a lime wedge to wet this rim down just a little bit. Okay, so this was sent to me by Twang Company. They sent me a lot of products, and I've reviewed pretty much all of them. So now I'm just kind of, if I come across something that I want to use their product for, I'll use it. So so there you go. Let me go get that lime wedge, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm passing through the camera here for a minute. Okay. Don't have my cutting board out, and I don't want to leave the camera again, so I'm going to just do it on my hand. I'm going to take a chance. You might see blood. No. I used to work in the restaurant business a little bit, so I'm kind of familiar with cutting things. Okay, so let's do this. Let's get this rim wet here. Oh man, you know what I forgot? I'm gonna have to leave the camera again. I forgot the ice. I wanted to use some ice. Okay, got that? I'm gonna set that right here on my, kind of fell through, shot glass. Oh, I had that out from earlier when I was just trying the stuff. Oh my gosh. One other thing good about this is, like I said earlier, grapefruit rimming salt. So you got another kind of Hawaiian, tropical type of a fruit, along with the coconut. Might go together really well. Okay, let me pour this out on here. Okay. Don't need a whole lot. I mean, you're not going to use the whole thing anyway. So, so there's that. This is all, wet, ready to go. So. Well, it didn't, it missed a little spot, but I think it's good. Okay, so let's put that out of the camera. Do I want to put that in there? I don't know. We can probably toss it in there. Hate to waste a lime. Okay, leaving the camera, get my ice. Okay, I'm back. All right, so we got our rimming salt on there. We're gonna have our ice in there. Okay, another one in there. Okay, so let's, I think we're down to pouring this in there. Man, it smells good. And it doesn't look, well, yeah, it's gonna all fit in there. Well, I had the perfect glass, didn't I? Okay, that kind, it's kind of pretty. It's Yeah, it's kind of plain, but it's got some, you know, character to it. Got the lemon salt on there. It's kind of pinkish orangish. You got a green floating lime wedge in there with your coconut looking water. Smells good. Getting the coconut, getting that lime a little bit. Getting the grapefruit from the lemon salt. Okay, cheers. Let's try it out. Wow. That's good. That is good. Oh, wow. Different levels of tasting characteristics are coming out. Getting the sweetness of the lemon salt, along with the grapefruit, and then it hits that right when you dive into the actual drink. You don't get the coconut a whole much. It's kind of dulled by the salt, and then it just kind of takes your palate, kind of catches up, and then it takes hold. Ah, it's good. You got to kind of swish it around. When you get a lick of that salt, it's bigger crystals, so it doesn't dissolve really fast. You're getting the taste, yeah, but they're bigger crystals, so it takes a minute for them to dissolve in your mouth. So I kind of swish it around just a little bit, and then you're getting different flavors mixed in with that Parrot Bay Pina Colada. You're not supposed to gulp these things anyway, so take your time. I mean, I've only taken, 2 or 3 drinks, so I got plenty more to sip on throughout the day. Watch my soap operas. Just kidding, it's Sunday. I don't watch soap operas anyway, but I was just being silly. I used to. There's a Jerry Fort fact back in the 80s. My wife got me into them, and he just had a good story. Like, what, you want to know which one I was watching? Really? Okay, it was General Hospital. But don't make fun of me. Okay. That's really good. So go to the Twang Company. They have a whole bunch of products. Different salts. They got the twangers. You can find some of this stuff in your local stores and convenience stores and stuff. But they got just a bunch of stuff. So they were nice enough to send me a very big variety of stuff to try out and to review. So I've been doing what I can with what I have. Been giving some of the stuff away, showing, to support the company, other people getting attached to it or, enjoying the product that can order some after they've used up what I give them or whatever. But yeah, got fans out there of Twang Company. They've been around for a while. They just put out a new margarita, Michelada mix. It's pretty good. But yeah, okay. Well, I'm going to go relax. I'm going to drink on this, and I will see you all on the next one. I thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and hope it gave you a little bit of an idea. Okay? All right. Bye.